Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and today I will be providing you the information regarding important tools, essential tools that are required for the research work. If you are UG student, if you are PG student, or if you are a master student, or maybe PhD student, all of you requires some essential tools that you should be using during your research work. In this video, I will be covering the tools like tools required for manuscript writing, the tools required for illustration, creation of the illustration, scientific illustrations, tools that are required for image analysis, and also the essential tools for data handling and data analysis. So believe me, this video is going to help you a lot in your research journey. And if you are not using these tools, and also I'll provide the information on how to manage references. So all those tools, they are required for your research. They are required for manuscript writing. So if you are not using these specific tools, that means you are missing something here. Okay, before we start the video, I want to thank our sponsors, Consensus. And if you are not aware of Consensus, Consensus is AI-driven technology that can help you with your literature search and also answer specific research questions you have. If you have no idea what Consensus is, let me give you a snapshot. Meet Consensus, the intelligent way to search for scientific research. Type in a question and let Consensus instantly sort and summarize trusted research findings all in one place. No more endless scrolling. With Consensus, you find what you need fast, clear, and verified. Compare studies effortlessly. Consensus allows you to analyze research from various sources side by side, helping you to make informed decisions quickly. Personalize your research experience. Create profiles that save your preferences, making it easier to access your most relevant topics. Collaborate seamlessly. Share your findings with colleagues and collaborate in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Get Consensus today and simplify your research journey. If you are interested in getting premium subscription for Consensus, please look in the description box. I have a code waiting for you that will provide you significant discount on your purchase. Okay, with that note, let's see our video and let's understand what are the key tools or essential tools required for our research work. Microsoft Office includes MS Word for writing, MS Excel for data organization and basic analysis, as well as MS PowerPoint for presentations and illustrations. This software package is versatile and widely used for writing manuscripts using MS Word, organizing and performing basic data analysis using MS Excel, and creating presentations and even simple illustrations using MS PowerPoint. Excel is particularly useful for initial data handling and quick statistical summaries, while PowerPoint can be adapted for creating simple illustrations and experimental workflow diagrams. GraphPad Prism is a statistical and graphing software popular in biosciences, while Python and libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn offers powerful open source data analysis capabilities. GraphPad Prism is user-friendly for statistical analysis commonly used in bioscience such as dose response curves and survival analysis. And for those who are comfortable with coding, Python offers great flexibility and control over data manipulation, complex analysis, and custom visualization. Both options allow PhD students to analyze experimental data effectively and produce high-quality graphs for publications. Illustration tools like Inkscape or PowerPoint. Inkscape is a vector graphics editor useful for creating detailed scientific illustrations, while PowerPoint can also be adapted for simple illustrations. High-quality visual representations or different pathways, experimental setups, and molecular processes are essential in bioscience. Inkscape provides tools for precise publication quality figures, while PowerPoint offers an accessible option for creating basic illustrations quickly. Both tools are suitable for preparing visual aids that enhance clarity in presentations and publications. Reference Manager, Mendeley or Zotero. Mendeley and Zotero are reference management software that help organize, store, and cite research articles. Proper reference management is critical for maintaining an organized research library and automating citation formatting in research papers. Both Mendeley and Zotero allow for easy characterization, categorization, and retrieval of articles, seamless citation integration with Word, and support for collaborative work when sharing references with co-authors or research groups. image analysis tool, which is ImageJ. ImageJ is an open source image processing tool widely used in bioscience for analyzing microscopic images and other scientific visuals. Many bioscience experiments involve ImageJ analysis, such as quantifying cell count, measuring fluorescent intensity, or analyzing cell morphology. ImageJ offers a range of plugins and customizable settings that make it ideal for bioscience image analysis tasks, providing accurate and detailed measurements essential for quantitative research.